How to get an absolute file path in Python. Given a path such as /myfile.txt, how do I find the file's absolute path in Python? For example, on Windows, I might end up with
also works if it is already an absolute path.
You could use the new Python 3.4 library pathlib. You can also get it for Python 2.6 or 2.7 using pip install pathlib. The authors wrote, "The aim of this library is to provide a simple hierarchy of classes to handle file system paths and the common operations users do over them. To get an absolute path in Windows, or on Unix, docs are here, this URL.
Note that expand user is necessary on Unix, in case the given expression for the file, or directory, name and location may contain a leading. The tilde refers to the user's home directory, and expand vars takes care of any other environment variables, like $home.
Install a third-party path module, found on pipi. It wraps all the os.path functions and other related functions into methods on an object that can be used wherever strings are used.